Hi, everybody, and once again, welcome to the card reading for our channel. And thank you for watching all the videos. And we did make a video about when will I get a job, and this was for a lot of you who were looking for a job or who were looking for a change in job or were not aware what to do. So we just released that video, and so many of us wrote to me saying that they are facing a lot of difficult time at work. Their boss is toxic, the job is toxic, but at this point of time they cannot do anything because they have financial responsibilities, the market looks bad, and hence we decided to make this video for you on this particular question, that the job is not that great. Okay, now this is only for people who are having toxic situations in job, which mean they are being they are not happy with their work, they are not happy with their profile, they are not getting good pay, they are not getting good promotion, or they are getting stagnated. This is not for someone who is facing the daily ups and downs of jobs. So whether you are in a job, you are in a business, daily ups and downs are a part of your life. However, when situation gets out of control is what we call as toxic. But a lot of people have been saying that they are having a lot of issues at their job. Probably their boss is being very critical of them, not appreciating them for their work, or they are not getting paid well. They have been promised that they will get a promotion which they haven't, and now the markets are bad and they are being daily humiliated at work. So if you are among these, and if you are looking for what to do, because quitting job at this point is not recommended, this is what you are aware of. Also, you are aware that the market is bad and all of these things, but you still wish to not understand what to do. And my answer is for anyone, even before we open these cards, my answer for everyone is, even if the situation looks dull outside, you always have the power to change anything deep within you, because you are powerful way beyond what you can imagine. And today in this quick reading, I'm also going to give you an idea of a few tools which you can use if you are feeling stuck in the job, or if you're feeling in a toxic job. So go towards the end of this video to listen to the tools. So there are 3 stacks: stack 1, stack 2 and stack 3. I have 3 beautiful amethyst stones in different shapes and sizes. The first one is my classic amethyst wand. I use this wand a lot for healing. This wand is really very amazing because it is also charged with Reiki energy. This is a beautiful cluster of amethyst. My friend gifted this to me, and this has been I think this is the first crystal which I ever had in my life. And this is a small tumble of amethyst, again gifted by one of my students. So I have a lot of students who gift me crystals, and even though I had no idea of what crystals were, since then they are coming to me. So alright, so again take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out. Think of your situation, probably if you are facing the same situation what we spoke, because many of you have been telling me that yes, that situation has been troubling you. And if you are a part of this job situation, and if you're watching this reading, do drop a heart in the comments below to receive this guidance and to receive the help from angels. So just take a deep breath, choose the stack of cards which you're drawn to, 1, 2 and 3. Take a deep breath and exhale. And now we will do the card revelations. Let us look at stack number 1. If you have chosen stack number 1, this one with the beautiful wand. Yeah, wands are real, they do work. If you have been a fan of magic like me, you will know that the wands work. Wow. So well, if you chose stack number 1, you got the Fool's card. So you are being asked to be your creative childlike self, which means if you're feeling stuck, the only way to get unstuck is to tap into your creative energy. Look at what you can do at this point of time to till the time you're waiting for a new job or till the time the new job is not showing up, what can you do? So tap in your creative self. I would ask you to paint, draw, sketch, play music, do anything that gives joy to your inner child or your inner self, which is creative. And if you're looking at applying to any new jobs or talking with friends, if there is an opportunity, do that, talk to them. Also, this talks about your childlike expectation from the universe. So when we were children, we knew that everything was possible. We believed in magic. We believed in, even if we don't care about what's happening. So today, ask any child, if you have your own child or if you have a niece, nephew, ask them about magic and ask them about what is possible, and they always say everything is possible. So the energy of the Fool tells you to tap into that childlike feeling, that if the being within you feels that, oh, how will I get a job, what will happen to me, I don't think in the current market it's possible. So that child within you will still know that it is possible, and tap into that energy. Tell yourself that even if the market is bad, even if things look very, very dull right now, I do have the power to find the exact job what I want, and I deserve it. The second card is an interesting one, and this card is from the Archangel Gabriel Oracle card deck. I love this deck. So this card says that reach out to someone who is an agent or manager, and the only thought which I'm getting is maybe you will meet a headhunter or a friend or someone who is an expert in this field who will help you to find a job. Probably you've been trying to find a job with no luck. That's because you're not doing it the right way. Sometimes the effort in wrong directions can lead to more failures. So work in the right direction. Connect to an agent, maybe someone who is a job hunter or a headhunter, and talk to them, and probably for right now ask the universe to bring them to you. Don't chase things, but also allow the universe to give you these things, because when you chase things, the things will definitely run away from you. So get in touch, ask in your friends, and simply you can ask this question to the universe. This is an access consciousness questions which are very empowering. You can say, what will it take for me to find the right person who will help me get the right job? Okay, so you could pause this video and listen to it over and over again. Write down that statement. Ask this question to the universe. Don't say it loud, probably you could say it in your mind, but ask for a helpful person and they will help you to find the right job. The next card, it's such an important card. It says, time out. You've been so busy taking care of everyone else that you do not have time to take care of your own self. So take this opportunity to take some self-care. Exercise, drink a lot of water, eat good nourishing foods. Self-love is not about gulping that piece of dessert with loaded sugar. Self-love is all about making sure your body truly gets what it wants, and give it more nutrition, give it live foods, take some time out and do some breathing exercises, connect to your spiritual self, and as you do this, visualize yourself getting the perfect job. So if you chosen stack number 1, the answer for you is take care of yourself, look for a headhunter, and tap in that childlike joy within you. If you chose stack number 2, let's see what your cards are. Alright. So it's amazing. When this particular one was opened, I see that there is something coming up on the horizon for you. Maybe a new opportunity is coming up for you. Maybe you have already forwarded your resume, or you have spoken to someone, or maybe you are trying for something totally new and it's coming to you. This card says that you are looking at the opportunity from a bigger point of view. Angels ask you to do a daily practice, which means if you are looking for an interview, make sure you do a lot of reading about your work. It also talks about connecting to your deeper self, and it also talks about doing something which is artistic. So just like the first stack here, you could do, I see this lady, she is doing some painting kind of a thing. So why I always tell people to be creative is because when people are creative, their emotions open up, and any resistances which do not allow a new job to come up are attracted towards them, because they are tapping in their true joy. The third amazing card says you are a spiritual teacher. So wow, you have a spiritual teacher within you. Probably you've been seeing a lot of spiritual signs in the past few months, and you probably have that ability to counsel or be that perfect teacher to others. Probably you are a trainer, probably you are a teacher, you are a spiritual teacher just like me, and that is your life mission. So think about it. Or maybe this card also talks about connecting to a spiritual teacher and seeking some guidance about your day-to-day life, about what you could do to find a job. But overall it looks like you have something coming up. So if you've chosen stack 2, it says that something is coming up for sure. Practice and practice. Read, because if you get an interview call, you have to be prepared. So read a lot. Also connect to your creative side. And finally, you are a spiritual teacher or you have met someone who's a spiritual teacher. So connect to that part of you which knows what is possible and go for it. You have a bright future. And let us finally go to stack number 3. So if you chose this cute little tumble, this cute stone of amethyst, this is what is the answer for you. Wow. So this is beautiful 8 of Wands. Now 8 of Wands typically speaks about speed. If you look at the way the card is, you see these 8 amazing things just going in direction. It looks like they have caught a lot of speed, looks like they're flying in the air. And when this card comes up in any reading, I always tell my clients that something is speeding up, which means things will happen very quickly for you. So for any reading, I always say when you get a reading, how to make sure that you apply it is take actions. So your intention is very important here. If you're looking for a job but you don't know what to do, so at this point of time, understand that things are working very fast with you. You have the kind of energy which can create anything at a super speed, very fast speed. So what to do? Share your art with the world is the card which you received. Now this card, if you again look at it, it means that allow others to enjoy the work you're doing. Now when I look at this card from a point of view, from perspective of job, I would tell my clients that share your work, which means tell people about your work. Tell people whom you know about. When it comes to networking is not just about drinking together or exchanging business cards. It's about extending that energy of what you are. So tell more people about what you do. And of course, as we are not meeting as many people as we used to do before, you can, when you talk to friends, relatives or people in the same industry, ex-colleagues, when you connect to them, whether you connect to them for birthdays, for anniversaries or for any kind of phone calls, tell them about what kind of work you do. Tell them how passionate you are about that kind of work. And once you do that, you are definitely going to, someone might just say that, hey, and then you can gently say, hey, I'm looking for a change. And would you be able to help me? And be very confident with that. Always when you say these things, be very professionally confident by saying that. Say it with a lot of assertiveness. Now, assertiveness doesn't mean aggression. Assertiveness is being authentic, being true, being non-diplomatic, and yet being very kind and compassionate. And finally, the third card which came up, wow. This card says that take care of your body. I think we are getting this card a lot over from all the decks over all the weeks, and this time where the world is changing so much, it's a good time to take care of your body. So even in the previous stack, we got a similar message. So I would again extend this to you by saying that eat well, eat good nourishing foods, do some kind of exercise, hydrate, drink a lot of water, and also take care of your mental health, which means stop watching anything that drains you out. A lot of people have been working full day and watching television at the end of the day. This will strain your eyes. So instead of that, do something which will help you build your more mental health, which will help you make you feel better. So this was the card. So if you chose stack number 3, the message is things are happening very fast with you. Connect to others and share what you do with them. And take care of yourself, take care of your body, eat good food, exercise. And that will give you what you truly desire. So friends, this was our our card reading for today. I hope it resonated with you. If it does, and if you wish, if many people say that it did resonate with me, what can I do further with it? So I always say apply these things to your life. And if this card reading has made sense to you, drop a heart in the comments below to receive it. And we are sending lots and lots of love to all of you from Unicorn Insight, and have a lovely time wherever you are. The access tool which I'm going to give you towards end of this session, which you can start using to find a job you like, is what will it take for me to have a job which balances my work and life, and that too with a lot of ease. I repeat, simply ask, what will it take for me to have a job that balances my work and life, and that too with a lot of ease? So you're going to ask this question to the universe. You can write this down, you can say it as an affirmation, you can say it in your mind, and don't look for the answers. Just ask this question and allow the magic to open. So yes, we do accept appointments for tarot card and angel card readings, for access consciousness sessions, and for a lot more. Do connect to us on inbox.unicorninsight@gmail.com. You could inbox us on that, or you could inbox DM us or our Instagram for appointments. We do not talk to you just by picking up the phone. You need to take an appointment to have a session with us. So thank you very much for connecting. Do subscribe to our channel, and I'm sending you lots and lots of love. Thank you.